Okay, so to work these problems, you're gonna solve it. For those of you who like circle math, right, you're gonna go this way with it basically. And this one's kind of interesting because I'm giving you the base and I'm giving you the exponent. I'm not giving you the answer, okay? So all you have to do is perform the math. And remember, to do these problems, I'm gonna think up here for a second. If you have 9 to the 3 halves, this is power over root, right? And remember, you take the root first. That is how you solve to the 3 halves power in your head. So you're gonna take the square root of 9, which would be 3, and you're gonna raise it to the 3rd power. So really this means you take the square root first, which is the square of 9, which is 3, and 3 to the 3rd power is 27. So 27 is what x actually equals. For number 10, you're solving for x again, which means you have the base. You're going to go this way. Remember, you have the base, you have the exponent, okay, and now then you're looking for the answer. So 6 raised to the negative 2. The negative just means 6 belongs in the denominator. So you have 1 over 6 squared, which would be 1 over 36. Okay, and our last problem for today is problem 11. Okay, and it gets a giant star because it's tricky. You have log base x, so this time I'm missing the base. 11, okay, equals negative 1/2. And if you want to use circle math, if you want to look at it, I'm telling you the answer. You know the exponent, you don't know the base. So you know that x to the negative 1/2 power equals 11. Okay? Now, if you think about this for a second, okay, I've got a fraction here. Okay? So I'm asking what number, if I've got a fraction, okay, and it turned into a whole number. So if your exponent is a fraction, then that means your base is also a fraction because you get a whole number answer. So what number raised to the 1/2 power? Well, taking the 1/2 power is like taking the square root. So what's the square root of what number gives you 1? It gives you 11. It would be 121, right? So if I took 1 over 121 and I raise it to the negative 1/2 power, what's that going to do? It's going to flip it, right? And you're going to take the square root, which would give you 11. So the answer is 1 over 121. That was a tricky problem. All right, and that's all for today.